Hi, happy Navaratri. Today it's a very happy occasion to me. You know why? My Karma Yogi is going to make a sweet. Yes. I will have a chit chat with him. Yes. My Karma Yogi is very good in making milk kesari. I will have a chit chat with him. Yes.
Hi friends, today I am going to show you all how to make milk kesari. Actually, this is a wonderful dish, very easy. This is taught by my better half, Banu Hari. So I am having everything ready here. I have 1 liter milk. I have an empty kadai here. I have the kesar, original kesar from Kashmir. I have just 2 ilachi because ilachi will steal all the flavor from the other things. And here it's cashews, and I have 1 cup of sugar and deshi ghee. So let me start it. It's hardly, I think, process will be 10 to 15 minutes, and it will be a wonderful sweet, and everyone will like it.
After our marriage, first time we had been to where we had been. Do you remember which movie we had been?
Allow me to cook, please. Don't ask me questions which makes me very.
This is the weird thing. Okay, I wanted to tell all the funny things. First movie, my Karma Yogi had taken me. You all will wonder, like how many members we all had gone. You will be amazed to hear this. First movie, 25 members we had gone. Yes, 25 members. Okay, that is, I will forgive him for that. Second movie, he had taken along with two of his cousins.
Yeah.
What?
It's enough now. Let me get. So I am keeping an empty kadai here.
Okay.
So I kept the 1 liter milk to boil on the other stove. So preferably kadai will be kept in sim so that it doesn't burn. And first I would like to put maybe 100 or 75 grams of
I need
ghee.
to tell my viewers, he is very lavish in spending. He will tell 100 grams and we will put almost 1 kg of ghee in there. And another funny thing I need to tell my viewers, we had gone to a supermarket. Okay, you please tell that. It will be more funny than me telling my viewers.
What is it?
Do you remember that? We had gone to a supermarket. Like he dropped me outside the supermarket. Please tell, no?
No, we actually went to buy some groceries. So we picked the groceries, and I went to bring the car, and she had to bring the groceries outside, and I had to bring the car. So I just took the car from the parking area and I started driving. And suddenly I got an important call. I started talking on the call. Then I forgot that my wife is there waiting for me to pick her from the supermarket. So she just saw, and I was just going without stopping. She waved. So I thought, as usual, I'll have a lot of friends around. Someone is waving. I just waved and I went off. And I did not stop the car. It was really a very messy thing on my part. And she must have told this to 1,000 people. She enjoys in complaining that I left her and all those things. But of course, it was not intentional on the other side.
No, it was really intentional, I feel.
So it was, and I was just talking on the phone, and I thought, okay, someone is
waving at
me, and I also waved and just moved around.
I think he was expecting one of the girlfriend, I think.
No, if it's girlfriend, I'd have stopped. Yeah. Okay. So I put the cashews in the ghee. so that the cashew gets crisper. Well, I have fried cashews in the ghee. Now I have taken maybe around 200 grams of rava, and I am again frying it with the ghee. So this doesn't need a deep fry, but to get that the ghee flavor, the rava has to be just fried for 2 minutes, and of course the knob should be in the simmer mode so that the flame will be less. So the milk is boiled now well, so we'll have to add this 1 cup tumbler of sugar in the milk, so that sugar gets diluted fully in the milk. Well, now that the sugar has been added to the milk, we have taken 2 ilachi and powdered it. So just sprinkle that ilachi so that it gets a good flavor.
I know a lot of mischievous episodes he's got in my Karma Yogi during his college days and during his bachelor life. I want to hear few of his episodes. Let me hear from his Karma Yogi's mouth. Yes.
The milk is boiled, so I am offing off the milk pot and pouring the milk in the rava pot, which is fried with ghee. Now it's very important that we keep stirring this milk, otherwise there will be lumps in rava and there will not be proper consistency. So this needs to be in a low flame, and we have to keep stirring the milk with rava. So maybe another 7 to 8 minutes we'll have to stir this milk, and slowly you can see the rava kesari. Now it's in the liquid form. Slowly it will get harder and harder, and at the final stages we'll have to put the cashews, fried cashews, and the consistency of cashews usually should be in every spoon of rava kesari you eat, you should get one cashew. Anna, you want to listen to my stories?
Yes.
So I have already told you several, and you have taken some in a very positive and good manner, and other times you have also fired me for all the incidents. But anyway, one incident I always love. I would like just share it with you all. I was studying in MES College, Malleshwaram. That time a lot of my friends from my BL colony and childhood friends had come near the college. So we went near this Malleshwaram railway station where there is an hospital. So we had to see one of my friends' mother in the hospital who was ill that time. So when we went there, suddenly we all were standing, and one of my friend, his name is BTS Raja. He is actually a supervisor in BTS, but he's a very funny chap. Who knows him? No, you will just wonder, such a wonderful person you will not get in your life. So this BTS Raja, what he did, suddenly a person with a coat and suit and with a beautiful tie and well attired, he came near the hospital. So suddenly this Raja went to him and he hugged him. Then that fellow suddenly he told, "Hey, I do not know who you are and why are you hugging me?" And he felt very bad that whoever the tie, he was supposed to be an LIC, some manager or assistant manager or something. Then Raja told, "Hey, what you are? Don't play the fool. You are my friend from so many years. You forgot me and all." Then that LIC guy told, no, I have not forgotten anyone, and you are not my friend. How can you remember? Then this Raja started telling, "No, you have become very big now. In your childhood days, you used to make the monkeys play in Yeshwanthpur market. So you are basically a monkey, you had a monkey and you used to play with the monkey in that Yeshwanthpur area." So then this guy, LIC guy, got really wild. He started shouting, "What the hell are you trying to do? And I am an LIC officer and you are telling I am a monkey charmer or monkey player or something like that. Then the whole crowd joined and it became a big chaos in that place. More than 150 people joined. And you know, the real fun is here, where in the end of the conversation, we all came with a solution that like a person in the world, you know, there will be 7 people. That is what is being said. Okay, 7 people like similar like Bano or similar like me or similar like whoever is the viewer, you know. 7 people in the world like us will be somewhere in the world.
Yeah.
So we concluded that the LIC guy who had the suit and the monkey charmer, maybe these 2 guys are similar. And that was one of the funniest moment in my life. Anyway, thank you Banu for giving opportunity to share my views. And thank you viewers for bearing with us. Yeah. And now see the consistency of this Rava Kesari. See, now it's all becoming very, like, you know, more solid.
You need these cashews, no?
We need to stir it little more so that it becomes little more, you know, that watery type should go, you know.
Yeah.
So now there is no water in this, sorry, it's pure milk and kesar.
Yeah.
So, and rava. So it is milk, rava, kesari. Yeah. So.
Can you sing one song for my viewers, please?
You are asking too much of me.
Please.
Tomorrow they will not bear at all with you.
They will not. My viewers are so lovable.
So now the kesar is hard, and Banuji, you want one song from my side? Why don't you join? Because maybe 1 or 2 lines will sing, you know.
Okay.
You know my favorite song in Hindi.
Yeah.
Okay. Shall we just start?
Yeah.
चाहूंगा मैं तुझे चांद सवेरे, फिर भी कहो अब नाम को तेरे, आवाज मैं न दूंगा, आवाज मैं न दूंगा. So let us put some cashews now.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. So cashews are put in this rava kesari and mix it well. So I think final topping, you'll have to put the kesar, you know. So trying to put some, maybe 1 gram. Huh?
See how lavish he is? Again, I have to go to Kashmir to buy this.
See, finally there is a small secret. This, you know, I just want to share it with you all. Final touch for this kesar. Finally, 1 or 2 spoons of ghee, you know, spread it across, so that it will not get burnt also, and that the ghee flavor, no, that will give an excellent flavor for the whole dish. And mix it so that it doesn't get burnt also. So you can see the consistency also. It's a beautiful rava kesari. And it's very easy also, and it will be very tasty, and it will just it will be liked by all the age. Young, you know, the children will like it, the youngsters will like it, the aged people will like it. So thank you, Banu.
Thank you. Thank you, my
You keep giving me such opportunities. I'll keep doing some new things for you all. Okay? Bye.
So good. I got the cashews in between.